Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make ube coconut jelly. For the ingredients we need food coloring. I didn't use this, but I use electric green food coloring instead. 1 1/4 teaspoon of ube flavoring, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of agar or agar powder, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 1/2 cups of water, and 1 1/2 cups of coconut milk or coconut cream. I personally use coconut cream. So to begin, we're going to combine the water and the 1 1/2 teaspoon of agar powder or agar powder, whichever way you pronounce it. So we're going to boil this while mixing continuously. Once it starts boiling, we can add the coconut milk or coconut cream. So the coconut cream is 1 1/2 cups. Then add the 6 tablespoons of sugar, and then the salt. Once it starts boiling, we can take this out of the heat. We're going to divide the coconut jelly into 3 parts. The ube one will be the most, and then we have a plain coconut jelly, and then the third one we're going to color it green. So we will set aside the coconut one, and then we're going to add the ube flavoring. So I added 1 teaspoon first. Give it a taste. For me, it's not enough, so I added 1/4 teaspoon. So all in all, it's 1 1/4 teaspoon. Now for this one, I'm adding 2 drops of electric green food coloring. And then I'm going to transfer this in a shallow plate. And then I will put this in the fridge to set. Now I've got flour silicone molds in here. This is 3 centimeters. You can easily buy this on eBay. And then I'm going to put a little bit of white into the silicone molds, or a little bit of coconut jelly, just a little bit. You can use a spoon to do this process, or you don't need to use a silicone mold like this. This is just for decoration. I will let this set. Meanwhile, I'm going to layer now the ube gelatin. So I'm adding the ube coconut jelly first because I want the white to be on the top. So I added 1/2 tablespoon here. Then let that set. And now into the silicone molds, I'm adding 2 teaspoons. And then I will let this set for about 30 minutes in the fridge. So I'm just going to transfer this into a clean plate. Now that the ube jelly is set, we're going to put on top the coconut jelly. This is 1/2 tablespoon again. And then we're going to let this set. Once it's set, we're going to add the ube jelly. This time, this is going to be 1 tablespoon. Let it set, and then we're going to put on top half a tablespoon of coconut jelly. This will be the last layer. You don't need to use this kind of mold. You can set this in any kind of molds that you have. Let this set fully. Now that the green jelly is set, we're going to cut leaf shape. I'm just eyeballing this one. And this is what they look like. It's best to have some extra for these because they break. So just be gentle when you handle them. Now that the flour jelly is set, we can take this out of the mold. It's so easy to take this out. It only takes about 30 minutes to fully set this. Our Ube Coconut Jelly is now set. It's time to finish decorating this. So I'm putting the flour jelly on top. And then to finish the decoration, we're going to add the leaf jelly just on the side. Use a toothpick or a offset spatula to align the leaf. Beauty about using agar or agar jelly, the jelly sets pretty quickly. So this took me all in all an hour to make. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. It's so easy to make and it's really good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. And just to show you what it looks like, it's very smooth. The sweetness is just right. I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.